Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to connect Telegram to Nicegram. So there are some few steps. So if you follow the steps, you will be able to connect your Telegram account to Nicegram. Okay, so first of all, make sure you have downloaded and installed the Nicegram app and it is running on the latest version. So once you have downloaded, as you can see, I have done a chart here, so you can follow the chart. Open Nicegram and launch the Nicegram app after the install. Okay, so then click on the start messaging or login option. You will be prompted to a login. So in there you can connect your Telegram account. So once you are prompted to the login, so log in with your Telegram account, enter your phone number which you have opened your Telegram by the number you have used to open your Telegram account. So use the same number and follow the instruction on the screen which is provided. So there will be a verification. So the verification code will be sent to your phone number, and enter this code number to Nicegram and the login process is complete. Then you will be able to access your account. So once logged in, you will have access to your Telegram account and all is featured with the Nicegram interface. So this was the video. I hope you guys like it. So please subscribe to our channel and like it. Thank you for watching the video.